y'all, it's Verica with Crow's Closet. I woke up this morning and I'm like, today is the day. I am gonna finally clean my closet out. My husband spent all day yesterday doing laundry. That is his chore. I hate laundry. And we're a family of 5, so laundry day is something serious for us. And my sister usually comes over and folds my laundry on Sundays because she's the bomb. Like, get your sister like mine. So she comes over and folds my laundry and puts it away. But my closet is a mess, and like it is so hard for her to put stuff away in there because it's like not organized anymore. And it is that time of the year for me to organize that closet. I need to get rid of some things because I've started buying fall pieces. And I have a rule in my house, I'm not allowed to buy more hangers. I have to get rid of clothes so I can put clothes into the closet. So that's what I'm gonna do today. It is a mess in there, and I was gonna clean it before I did this. But like, let's be real. All of us people that love clothes, we're not all necessarily like super organized and like have everything in order by color and by size and by item. I just don't. I don't have time for that. Let's be honest. I don't have time for that. It's a mess in there, and it's really hard for her to put my clothes away for me. And again, I've been shopping, so I need to get things into my closet and off the floor. So I am so embarrassed to show you this, but let's just do it. It is a mess, a full-blown mess. Like, a lot of this stuff in here doesn't even fit me anymore. And I usually, the clothes over here, I wear more, and the clothes over there, I don't wear a lot, so we're gonna start over there. I have I have stuff all over the floor of my closet. It's a mess in here. I have stuff hanging from the door in the closet. It's just a full-blown mess. And a lot of stuff, again, doesn't fit me anymore because I gained COVID weight. And my closet is tiny because I live in New England and we don't have like huge closets here. I watch some of your videos and I'm like, what the hell? Like, I would love a closet that big. But the closet in our bedroom is just for me. And then all my shoes have to go downstairs. And then my husband puts all his stuff in the closet in his man cave. But yeah, look. All these pants, I need to go through the pants because they don't fit. Some of them don't fit. Like, if they're at the bottom, they don't fit. I've had to start getting dressed in the last like week because school started again and I can't be in pajamas anymore. So I think it's a really good place to start with the pants. I don't know how I want to do this yet. Let's see. Some of these things I forgot I had. I'm like so scared to do this. This is so funny. I am a pack rat of my clothes. I keep my clothes. I can always wear something in my head. I'm like, I'm gonna wear that. That'll go good with that. That's a perfect outfit for that. And I never ever end up wearing it. So some of the things, I don't know how they've survived in my closet. But today we are purging. So I think I'll start with jeans. These are just a classic pair of Levi's, like 90s fit, boyfriend fit Levi's. I bought them to replace a pair that I had that I distressed and I loved forever, never, never, but they don't fit anymore. I'm going to keep these because I just need to distress them so I can wear them. This is the keep pile. I never wear these because they're like a dark pair of denim that I bought for work, but like they don't stay up. Like they kind of like slouch in the back, and that's annoying. So I like never ever ever wear these. So let's give those away. Gosh, I'm gonna have to go shopping. The best place to get a pair of like vintage Levi denim, really structured, high-waisted pants is like your thrift store. So like for us around here, we have like Goodwill and Salvation Army and Savers. We don't really have like dope ass thrift stores, but you can find some if you have time. Maybe I'll take you guys with me next time I go thrifting. I don't even know why I still have them. I can't even tell you the last time I wore them. That was bad. Denim. I need to buy. Next, let's do long jeans. Let me tell you the story about these real quick before I get rid of them, because like it is gonna pain my heart to get rid of these pants. I bought these sophomore year in college. I graduated undergraduate in 2012, so a long time ago. I bought these pants from H&M, and my best friend and I bought matching ones. I bought the size 8, he bought the size 12. And when the size 8 didn't fit me anymore, I went and took the size 12 from him. But I haven't worn these pants in so long. I don't even know if they'll still fit. God, these things have stains in them. I wouldn't wear these anymore. Like, it's just not my style anymore. But I've like kept them because they were one of his pieces. And I tend to keep everything, even if I don't wear it, that was his. But I need to get rid of these because I'm cleaning everything out. I love you, boo, but those gotta go. So those are the pants. Let's move on to skirts and shorts. So we'll do my shorts first because I stopped being able to find shorts that fit right, so I don't have many shorts anymore. Everybody had a tutu skirt at some point in time. That's it for skirts and shorts. Let's move into shirts. We'll do dresses last. Ugh. I'm gonna have to do this a stack at a time. This is not even a quarter of the closet. I don't know what I should do with the clothes that I give away. Tell me in the comments section what you think I should do with them. Should I sell them? Should I start an online shop? My sister's gonna go through it first because we're just like that with each other. Like, I don't want it anymore. You want it? I absolutely love this sweater. It's like long, really long, so it hits like mid-calf. One of my favorites. Cardigans, can't get rid of. Black dresses, we don't get rid of. All right, y'all, these are the hangers that I have, and that's the pile of clothes that I got rid of. It's huge. Look at this. Like a lot of stuff under. Ugh. Shirts, dresses, all that, pants. And now look at my closet. There's like nothing in it now. It's looking a little light, but that just means that I can fill it back up, and I have a bunch of hangers now that I can hang stuff on. Look at that. It's somewhat organized. It'll be easy for my sister to put my clothes away. Alright guys, that was my closet clean out. I have like so many hangers now and so much space in my closet. I'm super excited to fill it back up. I will be filling it back up, and I'm gonna have you guys come along with me while I do that. I'm gonna start off with fall clothes, and then I'll move into winter clothing. Right now I've been working on shopping for transitional pieces. It's a little bit nippy because fall just started here, which is my favorite season. So I'm super excited to be shopping. So I have to work back on filling my closet back up. So I hope you all join me. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell right there, somewhere down there. Subscribe so you're aware of when I post, and you can come along with me while I film my closet back up. If you have any suggestions for me, any suggestions for videos, if you want to see me clean out more closets, I have a couple of people that want me to clean their closets out so they can start all over again. Please let me know in the comments section. Also, I have a video coming for those of you who hate shopping. I have your solution. Bye.